You threw my sandwich away. My sandwich? My sandwich?
Hey guys, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another mukbang slash eating show. If you can see the expression on my face, I am so excited because today we are going to be making Ross Geller's Thanksgiving sandwich from Friends. If you watch Friends, you know what I'm talking about. We are talking about the Moist Maker sandwich.
Someone at work ate my sandwich.
Well, what did the police say?
My Thanksgiving leftover sandwich. That sandwich was the only good thing going on in my life. Someone ate the only good thing going on in my life.
You see, my sister makes these amazing turkey sandwiches. Her secret is she puts an extra slice of gravy-soaked bread in the middle. I call it the Moist Maker.
So we're gonna be making it fully vegan, of course. It's basically just open to whatever you want to put into it, but there's just one thing that you need to add into it, which is the Moist Maker. So that is what we're gonna do today. I'm hungry, so I'm just gonna start doing this. I'm so excited. I literally wasn't planning on doing this video and I got this idea and I was like, I need to film this immediately. I know a lot of you guys are in the States and you're about to celebrate Thanksgiving, so maybe you want to make this with your leftovers, and you can do this even if you're vegan. So we're just gonna get started, guys. The most important thing, as you can see, sitting right here in front of me, is gravy. Now this is vegan gravy. It's just store-bought vegan gravy, and I feel like it's a bit watery, but you know what? We're just gonna make it work, okay? All right, so we have 3 slices of bread, very important. Here I have some pumpkin spread. So I just made this quickly. It's literally just canned pumpkin with a little bit of agave and mixed in with melted vegan butter. I just thought I needed a spread, so we're just gonna spread that onto one part of the sandwich. So I don't know if you guys know, but I am pretty obsessed and addicted to Friends. It's actually an issue. It's a bit of a problem, but like, it's such a classic show. I love it so much. Okay, so we've got lettuce because I thought, okay, I need some greens up in here. You know what I'm saying? Again, you could literally just add whatever you want to the sandwich. I'm just gonna add some of that. We are going to add a layer of coated tofu. This I made in my last video, I believe, where I show you some Thanksgiving recipes. Look at that, guys. So I'm gonna add that in for the protein. Oh, this is gonna be a fat sandwich. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. You know what? Let's add this last piece of lettuce. I don't know why I just left that one out. I think I'm just like afraid. I mean, you know what? I'm just gonna add in, should I add in 3? Oh, let's be ambitious, guys. Okay. We're gonna do that. And then I actually bought this tofurkey deli slices because why not? I thought I would add that in there. I mean, I obviously already have the tofu, so I don't need to do this, but I thought, you know what? We're gonna go all out today. You know what we're gonna do? Oh God, this is gonna be a fat sandwich. I'm gonna add it on this side here. So let's add like 3 slices. I don't know what this is gonna taste like. I hope it's good. Let me try a little piece. It definitely has that veggie meat taste. It's not bad. I've had better. We're gonna have 3 pieces of that here. And then, oh my gosh, how am I gonna do this? Guys, this is hard. How do we wanna do this? Let me think.
One eternity later.
I'm trying to think of the best way to assemble this. Cranberry sauce. Clearly I'm not the best at like assembling sandwiches. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh well, it's all gonna go in the same way. I love cranberry sauce. Okay. You know what? Let's do this. Like that. And then the Moist Maker. So we take a piece of bread, we dunk it. I'll just show you. Oh my God, this might be messy, you guys. It might be very messy. We're gonna dunk it in here. Soak it. Oof. Holy crap, guys. Oh my God, we're not that in. Whoo!
I call it the Moist Maker.
All right, now we add our tofu slices. How do we add this? Like that. This is going to be one crazy sandwich, guys. Maybe add a little bit more cranberry sauce. I love me some cranberry sauce. Mmm. Are you seeing this right now? Oh my god, I'm afraid to cut it. Should I cut it like this? Yeah. Let's see here, guys. Are we ready? Oh my god, guys. This is the Moist Maker sandwich. I made it! Ah! You guys, I'm so excited. I'm such a crazy Friends fan that I'm just like, oh my gosh, did I just make Ross Geller's sandwich? It actually looks pretty sexy. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm such a nerd. I'm like, oh my god, I made Ross Geller's sandwich for Friends. But seriously, guys, look. Look how good it is. It's like dripping. Oh my god. All right, guys. It is time for the official taste test. That's actually so good. Mmm. And I am sorry, but more gravy. So many flavors in this. Mmm. I think the only thing missing is like mashed potato or something. Mmm. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy I made this. This just makes me so happy. I'm like the biggest Friends nerd. Mmm. 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 Again, I was gonna talk about something, but I feel like I'm just in my zone. Ooh. Who's your favorite character from Friends? Honestly, I feel like I can't really decide. I do love Ross. Okay, I know a lot of people think Ross is annoying, but I kind of love him. Like, he's just kind of a sweetheart. Mm. Mm. It's so messy. But of course, Chandler. Love him. Now, I can't imagine not eating this like immediately because it's just gonna get soggy. In real life, your coworkers won't get a chance to steal this sandwich because you're gonna eat it right away. Guys, cranberry sauce is a must. I don't know who my favorite character of Friends is. I know that, like, out of the guys, like, I know that Joey's supposed to be, like, the, you know, the ladies man, the hot guy. But I actually always had a crush on, like, either Chandler or Ross. Like, Chandler in the very beginning was so cute. So good. There's so much flavor. I love the girls. I really love Phoebe. She's so weird. I'll tell you a little secret of mine. Something I do. It's kind of embarrassing. I've watched Friends so many times. And to this day, like, if I can't sleep, I'll just put on a random episode of Friends, like, on my phone. And then I don't even watch it. I just, like, listen to it and I fall asleep to it. Is that weird? guys. I feel like maybe I'm just old, but since Friends, there just hasn't been a show to top it. It's just such a classic. Or maybe it's just like our expectations have changed. I don't know. The fact that so many people still watch Friends, I mean, it's just a classic. Wow, that was a short mukbang. Guys, that was so good. I'm so happy I did that. I was like, I remember, I don't know where and when I thought about this, but I was like, oh my god, I really should make a vegan version of Ross's Thanksgiving sandwich. And am I ever glad that I did, because that was so good. I am so impressed. Highly recommend just eating it right away, because A, you don't want your coworkers to steal it, and B, it's gonna get soggy up in there, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you just eat it immediately after you make it. Whew. I wouldn't say that this is necessary, the deli slices. Just try making the tofu, the coated tofu that I made in my previous video. I'll link that video down below so you can get some more Thanksgiving recipe ideas. This is something you can make obviously like the day after as your leftover Thanksgiving sandwich. Whew, so good. I'm so happy. I am, I'm very happy. Anyways, I'm trying to think of other Friends recipes that I could potentially make in a vegan way, but I can't really think of anything. I could make Rachel's screwed up dessert, but I don't know. That sounds not good. But yeah, wow, that was a very quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you try this at home and make a vegan Ross Geller Thanksgiving sandwich with the Moist Maker. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!